natural vision improvement or surgery. With myopia -3, the eyes are extended forward by 1 mm, with -6 by 2 mm. Let's take an example. A man did the surgery with a super fashionable laser and cut off the cornea's front part of the eye, so that the rays of light could reach the retina and focus on it. He can see better, but the spasm of the oblique muscle of the eyes remained, and the oblique muscle of the eyes squeeze the eyeball, squeeze the capillaries, interfere with the nutrient flow and normal recovery. A person still holding his phone very close to his eyes because of the habits of poor vision. As he overloaded his eyes, he continues doing this, and accordingly, the spasm intensifies. After a few years, he increased the spasm and his eyes bulged again like a cucumber, and there is no way to cut his eyes more. It is better to develop the habits of not overloading the eyes. At first, learn to relax the eyes, do slight stretching of the eyes muscles, and improve your eyesight in a natural way.